Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about how to lead an economical lifestyle, tips and tricks to save big. Before we begin, we invite you to subscribe and hit on the notification bell to receive all our updates. Today, we will get acquainted with the art of frugal living. Whether you want to cut costs, save money to achieve big goals, or just live more rationally, this video contains practical tips and real-life examples to help you get started. So, grab a notebook and let's get right to the point. Imagine that at the end of the month, you open your bank account and instead of fear, you feel a sense of accomplishment. You've managed to save more money than ever before, all without sacrificing what you love. Does it sound too good to be true? Stay here because by the end of this video, you will have the tools to make this a reality. Changing the way of thinking. The transition to frugality. First of all, a frugal lifestyle is not something devoid of meaning. It's about making informed choices and finding joy in simplicity. Let's start by changing the mindset. Think of frugality as a lifestyle that allows you to focus on what is really important. For example, instead of eating out several times a week, try cooking at home. Not only is it cheaper, but it also allows you to experiment with new recipes and have fun with your loved ones. Budgeting. Your financial plan. Budgeting is the cornerstone of a frugal life. Make a budget that lists your income, expenses, and savings goals. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut them. For example, if you notice that you spend a lot of money on making coffee, consider making it yourself at home. This is a small change that accumulates over time. Here is a brief demonstration of how to reduce your budget with YNAB. It is very convenient to use and really helps to visualize what your money will be used for. Smart shopping. Quality is more important than quantity. When it comes to clothes, furniture, or even electronics, buying used items can save a lot. Charity shops, garage sales, and online platforms like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist are goldmines of quality goods for a small fee. For example, I found this stylish jacket in a charity shop for only $10, and a new one would have cost me at least $50. Do you see? You don't have to sacrifice style for the sake of economy. Do it yourself. Another great way to save money is to make projects with your own hands. From home renovation to gift making, all this not only saves money, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. For example, instead of hiring a jack of all trades, try to fix a leaky faucet yourself. There are countless guides on the internet that will help you handle almost any project. And here it is. Fix the faucet from the comfort of your home. 5. Planning and cooking. Eat delicious and for less money. Let's talk about food. Meal planning and cooking can significantly reduce your grocery expenses. Make a menu for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. Buy in bulk and use discounts and coupons. For example, instead of buying ready-made meals, prepare large portions of your favorite dishes and freeze them. This way, you will always have ready-made homemade food. It is convenient, useful, and economical. Saving on utilities. Reduce bills. Reducing utility costs is another key aspect of a frugal life. Simple changes such as using energy-saving lamps, turning off electronics when not in use, and buying a programmable thermostat can make a significant difference. For example, I saved over $100 a year just by switching to LED bulbs and keeping an eye on energy consumption. These small changes result in significant savings. Transportation. Save on commuting. Transportation can be costly, but there are ways to cut costs here too. Think about short trips by bike or on foot, public transport, or by car. If you need a car, choose economical models and regularly carry out their maintenance to avoid costly repairs. For example, I started cycling to work and not only saved on gasoline, but also put myself in better shape. This is a win-win option for your wallet and your health. Entertainment. Have fun for less money. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. Look for free or inexpensive activities such as hiking, visiting museums on free admission days, or evenings of games with friends. For example, instead of going to the cinema, invite friends to a movie night at home. You can make popcorn, enjoy each other's company, and save money. A fun time without high price tags. Remember that a frugal lifestyle is a conscious choice that fits your values and financial goals. The main thing is not to save money, but to manage your resources wisely and find joy in simplicity. Start with small changes and gradually introduce more frugal habits into your life. Trust me, your future self will be grateful to you. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Also, let us know in the comments about your favorite tips for an economical lifestyle or any topics that you would like us to cover in future videos. Let's create a community of experienced investors together. Thank you for watching.